When you think about technology, phones or robots might come to mind, but dentistry is sort of having a high-tech heyday, which means more options for patients. I'm with Dr. Chris Kuchenmeister. He's here from Stubbs Dental Implant Center. It's great to meet you, doctor. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Pleasure to be here.
I always love to hear, I don't pretend to understand it, but I love to hear how technology is changing the game. So you say computers are helping elevate much of the dental experience.
Yeah, it's the new frontier, and certainly we're pioneering some aspects of that. It's not only elevating it, but it's just advancing into it's the new norm.
Let's get specific. You're using imaging technology that creates 3D images?
Yeah, and we use it, historically it was used just to see bones.
Okay.
So you'd look at a cone beam CT scan, and that's been in medicine for a long time. And so we use that to look at the facial structure and bones, but now we're using more technology beyond that.
Tell me about facial scanners. That was on the list.
Yeah, so a facial scanner, think about taking a selfie of yourself. You've got this nice picture, but you can't turn your phone to the side and see your profile. Well, now we have 3D cameras. And so we literally can take a picture of a person's face and we can turn that head all the way around and see the side, the top, the bottom. So we can look at a person's smile in any direction. It's a game changer.
It's amazing. Yeah. I can see how it would be a game changer from the doctor's perspective. Yeah. Talk to me as the patient. How does that affect my experience or my outcome?
Yeah, so our goal is to design every smile custom to that patient. We want it to look how they want it to look. We want it to fit how it should fit. So when we're designing a smile, we think of the lips as a picture frame. And we want to place the teeth within that frame so that it's framed beautifully. I mean, it's just got to sit right in that smile, right in the sweet spot. Not too high, not too low, not to the right, the left. And 3D imaging allows us to do that because we can design it digitally and we can spin that image all the way around. So when we take that right into the patient's mouth, right on.
It's right where you want it, size and scale, but you've previewed it in advance, knowing exactly what you're getting.
So we start with the end in mind, essentially.
Nice.
So we've already designed it ahead of time before we move forward.
Nice. Well, a good smile is so important to people's well-being, their health, also their confidence.
For sure.
You have a special offer for our viewers today.
We do, yeah. So we actually have a couple of them. So we have a free consultation with a virtual smile design.
Oh, wow.
So we start right off the bat with that virtual end in mind.
Nice.
So we want people to see what the potential is.
Yeah.
And we're also offering 15% off of our zirconia implants.
Okay.
And just as a side note, this advancement into the digital world, this is one of the reasons why we were best in state, is because of how well we use this digital technology to bless our patients.
Yes.
It's faster, it's more accurate, and it takes less time. So we can get a patient from A to B in a much more cost conscientious viewpoint and much faster.
Yeah.
So all around, it's a big blessing to our patients.
Well, congratulations on that accolade, and thank you for kind of peeling back the curtain and showing us the technology that allows you to deliver those results.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Dr. Kuchenmeister. We appreciate it.